Okay, shwmae pawb. Welcome back to another Patrwm yr Wythnos for this week. I thought it might be fitting that last week we looked at ble est ti ar y penwythnos, and obviously using the past tense. But this week we are looking at ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos. I wonder if you can recognize any of the words here. For example, ble. We saw that last week. What do you think that means? Damn, where? Well done. So penwythnos, we know as well, which is the weekend. You might know mynd as well. Mynd, means to go. So ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos is, where are you going on the weekend this time? Okay, so we're looking at the future tense here. So dwi'n mynd I is the way to answer this. This is the pattern to start. So I'm going to, so dwi'n mynd I, you could say Abertawe, Swansea. Dwi'n mynd I Dŷ Mam Gu. Dwi'n mynd I siopa. Dwi'n mynd I barti pen-blwydd. I'm sure you know what pen-blwydd means from when we sing pen-blwydd hapus to someone whose birthday it is. So barti pen-blwydd is a birthday party. And dwi'n mynd I gysgu. I love this. I'm going to sleep. Right, so let's have a look at the question again. Let's see if you can practice that. So, ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos? Can you say it in a robot voice for me? We haven't done that one yet, or for a while even. So, ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos? Can you sing it again for me as well? Ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos? Maybe ask your partner now and see if they can answer with dwi'n mynd I, then followed by what they are going to do. Da iawn, ardderchog. Okay, well, it'll be interesting to know where you're going on this weekend or where you're going this weekend. Try and use this as much as you can in school as well. Lots of you have been getting tocynnau Cymraeg as well for your recordings with your parents or with members of your family at home, which is fantastic. Keep that up, and I'm sure your teachers will be giving you lots of house points and lots of tocynnau Cymraeg for this. Da iawn chi. Hwyl am y tro.